Look, let me paint a picture and tell me if this sounds familiar. You make more money than you ever have before. Your paycheck hits. You feel rich for about 48 hours and then suddenly, boom, it's gone. Rent or mortgage, paid. Car payment, paid. Subscriptions you forgot you had, paid. Credit card bill, way higher than you expected. And now you're staring at your bank account thinking, wait, how am I still broke? Because on paper, things should be fine. You're making $60,000, $80,000, maybe even six figures. But in reality, you've got $1,200 in savings, $9,000 in credit card debt, and a low-level anxiety every time your phone buzzes with a bank notification. That feels uncomfortably accurate. Yeah, you're not alone. And here's the thing. This isn't a you problem. This is a systemic money psychology problem that almost nobody talks about. Introduction, required line. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people who earn good money still feel broke. If you're someone who makes decent money but can't seem to get ahead, no matter how hard you try, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're going to break down why earning more doesn't fix broken finances, the exact dollar thresholds that actually matter, the psychology traps keeping you stuck, and the specific numbers you should be aiming for at every stage of life. And fair warning, some of this might be uncomfortable, but it will change how you think about money forever. The lie we're all sold early. Here's what most people don't realize. From the time we're teenagers, we're taught this idea that money problems disappear once you make enough. The number changes depending on who you ask. $50,000 sounds rich. When you're 18, $75,000 sounds rich. When you're 25, $100,000 sounds rich, until you actually make it. But according to data from the Federal Reserve, over 60% of Americans making $100,000 plus still live paycheck to paycheck. Read that again. 6 figures. Still stressed. Still one unexpected expense away from panic. So clearly, income alone isn't the fix. The $1,000 emergency fallacy. Let's start with the most common financial advice out there. Just save $1,000 for emergencies. Look, $1,000 is better than $0, I get it, but in 2026, $1,000 is not an emergency fund. It's a delay tactic.